can see right here, the account started with $1,000, and then we took it all the way to $1,200 in profit. And this was the gold trade that I'm going to go over. I mean, I'm telling you guys, man, this is the way to go. I'm gonna put you guys on, and it's legit. All right, what's going on, YouTube? We are back with another video. I'm currently filming this in my new 7 Series. Amazing. I just bought this car. Anyways, if you guys don't know who I am, I go by AYN Trades on Instagram. I'm a day trader, I'm a funded trader, I got payout proofs and everything. And in this video, I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible. I got $1,000 account to $2,000. So basically, I flipped the account, right? And I'm gonna show you a strategy that I've been implementing, right? If you check out my Instagram, you can see FTMO payouts, FTMO challenges that I've passed using this strategy with 75% win rate. Yes, you heard me, 75% win rate, and it works wonderfully. I literally made this almost $900 that I made from one trade of gold today to flip the account overnight. I literally placed the trade and I went to sleep, and next thing you know, I wake up with a $900 check. Like, you know, this is the simplest way that I can teach you how to make at least $100,000 in 2024. I mean, boys, it's legit. Check me out on Instagram. I also have an M4. I have a Porsche 911 that I'll show you guys right now. I have a Range Rover. I'm about to break down this trade for you guys for free. So after all that, I'm gonna see you in the charts. Let's get straight to it. After I break this trade down for you guys, it's going to look so easy. Follow me on Instagram, AYN Trades. I explain my trades over there every day. You get to see more of my life and see how all of this is possible if you just listen and put your time in, okay? Just quickly go over the trade and show you guys how this trade made me $900 overnight, made me flip my $1,000 account to $2,000 overnight in my sleep. I mean, I swear, there's nothing like this strategy, okay? Once you see how this trade works, it will just make sense and you'll see why I took the trade I took overnight, okay? So let's get straight into it. As you can see, we have gold right here, right? Has been trending bullish this, you know, since the year started, right? Now, this has to do with a lot of economic monetary policies and because of inflation. Now, I'm just going to go over what the technical says, okay? Because I paired this trade with news, but the technicals still remain the same. So as you can see, clearly a bullish uptrend in gold, right? Now, we have a bunch of imbalances here. You see how price moved away very quickly and price never returned. So I was looking for shorts. Now, why did I not take a short? As you can see, our trade is right here. I'm gonna go on the 4-hour time frame. This is our trade right here. A 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio trade right here on gold. You see this? Now, why did I take this trade? Okay, let's go over that. So on the daily time frame, we see that we were uptrending, right? And then we had this monthly high over here, right? So on May, right here, we swept April's high and we sold off. We sold off pretty aggressively here, okay? Use the context clues that I'm giving you, right? However, we didn't sell off strong enough. I'm gonna draw this out for you guys. As you can see, after we swept April's high, the next month, we fell off, right? We cliff dived, right? Straight sell-offs. However, even after all those sell-offs, we still kept this low intact, right? Even after all those sell-offs, we never broke this low, right? Right here. We never broke below that low, right? Even in June, end of June and July, we started uptrending, right? Breaking this high. We broke this high right here and started uptrending, right? Now, you might think I'm thinking this in hindsight after taking the trade, but let me show you exactly why I knew that the market was going to rally, right? So even after leaving this low intact, we broke structure and we started uptrending, right? So now I'm already looking for buys. I was looking for buys. When July started, I was already looking for buys for gold, right? Now, let me show you exactly why we took this trade right here. So after leaving an imbalance right here that we also see on the daily time frame right here, we came back and we retested it, right? We retested it and we rallied, right? We still didn't fail. We didn't fail here again. We came close to touching that low again, but we did not come close to it. Now, on Tuesday, 9th of July, at 10 a.m. in the morning, made relatively equal lows. Like, these are almost the same. You see this one line right here. The low of this candle is 2349.17. The low of this candle is 2349.33. So very similar, right? And we know that market likes to take out liquidity like that. Now, we see this imbalance right here. This is a 4-hour imbalance. We see this 4-hour imbalance right here. We drag it out. And when I saw that we failed to break all these lows, right? Remember from April, May, June, I know that I'm already in buys. And oftentimes not, when they leave behind a low like this without taking it out, like running on stop losses, right? Faking people out. When they don't do that, price will usually retrace away, right? You see, price will literally retrace away to keep this liquidity intact. They know that there's a lot of stop losses there, right? There's a lot of people that put their stop losses right here and went long, right? Now, people call it a double bottom, but that's just them keeping liquidity for them to come back later on. They haven't came back to it quite yet, but looking at gold right now selling off, you can clearly tell that there's a lot of space here to come back to, right? Now, as soon as I saw that they weren't willing to take down that low, right, and they were respecting this 4-hour imbalance, what did I do? I placed a trade, placed a buy, and I risked almost like 225, maybe 250, something like that. So the risk reward is there. That's exactly how you flip your account. Is you go for high risk reward trades. Your wins are much bigger than your losses, right? And if you go look at my Instagram, I have proof of this. Okay, you can check out my FTMO challenges, my FTMO payouts. I have over $15,000 in payouts from FTMO. I have 75% win rate with them, and it's all documented. It's on my Instagram. Check me out. And what was I targeting? I'm gonna drop down on the 15-minute. Now I'm gonna take you guys on the exact entry, okay? I'm gonna put up a screen recording of my MetaTrader right now for you to see exactly when I got in. I basically got in at nighttime. So before it was 10 o'clock at night. At 9:30, when this exact high got taken out, I put a limit order, right? And I got triggered right here with stops below these lows right here. I got triggered right here with stops below these lows. I just aimed at this high that we made on Monday morning. So, right, this is the high that caused this massive sell-off. So I knew that that was the most important high that I need to take out, right? Eventually, price went all the way to these highs, and I would have made a lot more money if I held on to it, right? I would have made a lot more money, but that's not always the case. So I targeted my high right here, literally striked it overnight, and I made $900 in my sleeve, taking my $1,000 account to $2,000, boys. I'm telling you, this is the strategy you need to be profitable, because scalping long-term will not give you the results you're looking for. You will not become a millionaire by scalping. I'm sorry to break it to you. You will not become a millionaire by scalping. You need a long-term edge that has enough room for your stop loss to be big. Now, this one, look at this. Look at this low right here, and look how close this low came, right? So I knew that there's some manipulation going on right here. As soon as they failed to take this low out, I knew that there was going to be manipulation, and they're going to drive prices all the way up, take out these highs first, and then later on someday come back and target this similar low that they left untouched. And using that narrative, we were able to secure a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio. And the rest is history. I'm telling you, boys, follow me on Instagram. This shit is legit. I have FTMO payouts. I literally came from nothing. I worked so many jobs, you have no idea. Follow me on Instagram because I drop gems in there, absolute gems. I give out free trades. And if you guys want to learn from me, drop a comment in the video. If you guys want to see my car videos, my garage is being updated, my new cars are coming in. Got a whole bunch of shit going on in my life. And if you guys want to learn more, drop a follow, subscribe, like the video, and I will see you guys on the next video.